So if somebody has a perfume business, can he has the smell of the alcohol and the smell of the tobacco? And straight answer, of course not. It's exactly like the person who's making crisps with the taste of bacon, but hasn't got bacon. Do you understand me? It's got bacon taste. It's vegetarian, by the way. The crisp is vegetarian. But they made you to have the taste of bacon. And then maybe as a revert, he would say, oh, I miss alcohol. Let me get some of the perfume would remind me of the alcohol. I missed my type such and such of cigarettes. Let me have that perfume which reminds me of the cigarettes. Okay. Now, if that tobacco smell is not known to be a person, if he puts it on, is a tobacco, but it's a nice smell, because the tobacco smells horrible. Some of his cigarettes, I can't really ever stand a person next to me praying and he's got a cigarette. Whatever, regardless what tobacco he had taken. But if that smell is nice, and I know what you're talking about, and if you put it on, it doesn't actually present the person that has been having a cigarette before, there's no problem. You're not making advertising for cigarettes. Okay?